Hello my dear students and welcome to Zenith tutorials once again. In today's video lesson, I'll be teaching you the poem Abou Ben Adhem by Hunt, which is a part of ICSE syllabus for class 9th and 10th, taken from your textbook Treasure Trove. So in this video, I'll be teaching you the summary and word by word explanation of the whole poem. And in our next video, I'll be giving you important question and answers of this poem. So let's go ahead and start learning. First, let me summarize the poem for you. Abou Ben Adhem is a poem by Hunt. The poem focuses on an event in the life of the Sufi saint Ibrahim bin Adhem, which is Abou Ben Adhem. So Abou Ben Adhem encounters an angel who is writing a record of those who love God. Learning his name isn't on the list, Ben Adhem requests him to write his name as the one who loved his fellow men. The next night, the angel returns with a second list, those who are blessed by God. Ben Adhem's name is at the top this time, suggesting that God favors those who love their fellow human beings. Indeed, that love for other people is the best way to express love for God. Let's read the first 5 lines. Abou Ben Adhem, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace, and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. Now let's take each and every line and let me explain to you. The first line, Abou Ben Adhem, may his tribe increase. The poem opens with the name of the main character, that is Abou Ben Adhem, and a blessing upon him. The line, may his tribe increase, simply means that there should be more people like Abou Ben Adhem in this world. This line shows that the poet has a lot of admiration and respect towards Abou Ben Adhem. So let's read the first 2 lines. Awoke one night from a deep dream of peace. Deep dream of peace means a peaceful dream, or it could be a reference to a deep meditative state. And saw within the moonlight in his room. So kids, these lines are full of imagery and metaphors. They describe an awakening. A deep dream of peace refers to a meditative or restful state that Abou Ben Adhem was in. Suddenly, he wakes up and sees the moonlight-like presence of an angel that brightens up the room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom. An angel writing in a book of gold. So the angel has already brought about a transformation in the room. Here it refers to the room, making it rich. So it refers to the room. The angel is making the room look like a lily in bloom. जो लिली खिलने वाली है, जो खिली है, lily in bloom. The angel is writing something in a golden book. Now here the simile, like a lily in bloom, conveys the potential of the encounter. What encounter? The encounter of Abou Ben Adhem with the angel. So there is a potential in this encounter to bloom into something pure and bright, like a lily in bloom. The book of gold symbolizes its richness and the great value that is placed on its contents. So if we say the book was book of gold, it means it was a very important book. Now let's first read the next 5 lines. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adhem bold, and to the presence in the room he said, What writest thou? The vision raised its head, and in a tone made of all sweet accord, answered the names of those who love the Lord. Now, exceeding peace had made Ben Adhem bold. Here bold means courageous. And to the presence in the room he said. What does the presence mean? Presence word refers to the angel. What writest thou? Thou means it's an archaic or a dialect form of you. When you want to say you to someone who is very respected, then you say thou. The vision raised its head. Vision means the angel, or it could be Abou's supernatural vision. So what is the meaning of these 3 lines? The peace in Abou's room. Why there is peace in Abou's room? Due to presence of the angel. So the peace in Abou's room made him bold. He asked the angel in the room, what was he writing? The vision raised his head. and in a tone made of all sweet accord. Now, what is sweet accord? Means having or denoting a pleasant taste like that of sugar. Answered the names of those who love the Lord. So the angel replies in a tone of sweet accord, means a voice full of kindness, that it is writing the names of those who have been honored by heaven for their love of God. So he is writing the names of those people who loves God. Now let's read the next 4 lines. And is mine one? Said Abu. Nay, not so, replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily still, and said, I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men. Now let me explain to you. And is mine one? Said Abu. Nay, not so. Nay means a negative answer, or it means no in Middle English. So replied the angel. Abu spoke more low. So what does these 2 lines means? Abu curiously asked the angel if his name was on the list. And is mine one? Said Abu. So he is asking the angel if his name was on the list. Nay, not so, replied the angel. The angel replied in negative. Abu spoke more low, which made Abu little sad. So Abu curiously asked the angel if his name was on the list. The angel replied in negative, which made Abu little sad. Let's read the last 4 lines. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great awakening light, and showed the names whom love of God has blessed. And lo, Ben Adhem's name led all the rest. Let me explain to you. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great awakening light. Here, vanished refers to the angel vanishing or the angel disappearing. It adds to the supernatural element in the poem. Wakening light means bright light that aroused Abu from his sleep. So what is the meaning of these 2 lines? The angel wrote and disappeared. The next night the angel came again with a great amount of light, which probably symbolizes enlightenment, and woke Abu, and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adhem's name led all the rest. Here lo means used to call attention to something or show wonder or surprise. So whenever there is lo, it means it's calling for attention or it is showing surprise. The angel showed him the names of those who had been blessed by God. Abou Ben Adhem saw that his name appeared on the top of the list ahead of others. So kids, what's the moral of this poem? It is that loving one's fellow man is more virtuous than loving the Almighty, that is God Himself. Kids, here is the link to proper question and answers of this poem with exact and proper keywords that will fetch you very good marks in the exam. So please do not forget to watch this video for perfect answers to questions with perfect keywords and where to use those keywords exactly. So go ahead and watch this video, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and like the video.